Makita XT288T 18V LXT Brushless Cordless Combo Kit. Honest, real-world power results. You grab the wrong drill mid-job and watch everything grind to a stop. I once lost 40 minutes on one anchor because my impact driver had one speed and zero control. Type me if that stings a little. Because the right combo kit does not just finish faster, it makes every fastener feel deliberate and almost effortless. So what finally changed everything? That suffocating feeling of switching tools mid-task while the clock burns and the deadline tightens? Every stripped screw and dead battery mid-job is not bad luck. It is the wrong kit quietly failing you. There is one combo built for the way real work actually happens. Once you feel brushless torque control, you will not go back. Then I opened the Makita XT288T 18V LXT Brushless Cordless 2-piece combo kit, and the first pull told me everything. Don't just pick any cordless combo kit. Make sure it has a 4-speed impact driver with brushless motor control so you never feel that gut punch moment of a stripped screw or overdriven fastener destroying your work ever again. The hammer driver drill delivers 1,250 inch-pounds of torque across 2 variable speeds, powering through wood, metal, and masonry without hesitation. The impact driver hits 1,590 inch-pounds across 4 precision settings, so you match the tool to the material instead of forcing it blindly. Both brushless motors stretch runtime up to 50% longer per charge, which is the real difference between finishing clean and scrambling for a backup battery mid-task. I was racing a concrete framing deadline once, and the rapid charger returned a full 5.0 amp-hour battery in under 45 minutes and saved the entire job. XPT weather and dust resistance means this kit survives real site conditions daily. Drop a 2 in the comments if you want the full 4-speed breakdown explained simply. Here is where the proof stacks fast, and the numbers do the talking. The Makita XT288T carries real-world credibility built on actual job site hours, not lab conditions. Forestry reviews gave it a strong expert rating, calling it pro-level torque and runtime with tools that feel robust yet ergonomic across extended sessions. The Axe and Answered industry review rated it 4.5 stars and highlighted the balance of power, portability, and build quality as standout differentiators in the mid to high combo kit tier. One verified customer said unprompted that it is actually better than my DeWalt, which lands harder than any spec sheet ever could. A workshop user specifically noted the lightweight design, motor efficiency, and low operating noise as the 3 qualities separating daily performance from fatigue. Here is what most people miss entirely. The 3-year limited warranty covers the tool, both batteries, and the charger together, which quietly removes every switching cost objection when you are investing around $400 in a professional platform. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for raw torque, 2 for battery runtime, or 3 for precision fastening control. The answers already in the thread will shift how you see this kit. Come see why so many contractors and serious DIYers quietly switched to the Makita XT288T 18V LXT Brushless Cordless 2-pieces combo kit and stopped looking back at every tool they owned before it. 2 brushless tools, 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries, 4-speed precision, and XPT job site durability bundled into one platform that grows with your entire workflow. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Click through, take a real look, and let the performance speak for itself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.